Drilling on hard rock, do not use temporary casings. Those are usually for softer muds.
Hard rock more than 100 MPa, the temporary casing cannot go down, even for the casing tubes, but our UNIMAX casing tubes can conquer it for you. This job site we come to today, the formation here is the Karst cave, and it is very hard, even over 100 MPa.
This is why they must use our casing tubes to ensure the quality of the project and your cost control.
Yes, now let's look at the casing we provide for this job site. The raw material we use is from the leading supplier in China. It is very stable.
Actually, the working efficiency does not only depend on the hardness of your geological foundation, but also the quality of your casing tubes. As we all know, the most important part of the casing tube is the casing joint. And now our strong casing joint can ensure it for you with greater torque than other suppliers.
Yes, as you can see here, our casing shoes have the welding blocks, which will improve the using life for the casing tubes. So how do your casing tubes and accessories perform at your job site? This is Olivia from DRILLMASTER.
This is Lucy. Leave your likes and comments below, and we will see you in the next video.
Okay, see you next time.
Bye.